What if research centered your voice, reflected your experience and story, and helped change practice and systems in ways that improve life for you and your community? The Drug Policy Research and Advocacy Board, aka DPRAB, is all about that. I'm Dr. Beth Meyerson, professor and director of the Harm Reduction Research Lab at the University of Arizona. In the fight to reduce opioid overdose death, bloodborne illness, and bloodborne infections such as HIV and hepatitis C, no one voice is enough. The DPRAB was established in 2020, initially to study the impact of COVID on access to buprenorphine and methadone, two life-saving treatments for opioid use disorder. Today, the DPRAB is a central part of the Harm Reduction Research Lab. We are a statewide transdisciplinary group of people who treat opioid use disorder, who have lived and living drug use and or treatment experience. We are from harm reduction organizations. We are state regulators and funders. And also we are researchers from the Harm Reduction Research Lab from across over 9 universities and a CBO.
The DPRAB identifies research priorities, conducts and supports community-led studies, and translates findings to inform policy and practice change. Since 2021, we've informed policy change in Arizona and nationally, and we've strengthened community capacity for collaborative, engaged research that matters. I'm Arlene Mahoney. I'm the co-chair for the DPRAB and executive director of Southwest Recovery Alliance. I'm also a trained social worker and faculty of the Harm Reduction Research Lab. The DPRAB isn't an advisory board. Think of it as a board of directors for the Harm Reduction Research Lab. We not only advise on research that impacts us in some way or another, but we emphasize and implore community engagement as a living process and not a destination. So this is not a one-off. We are moved to work together for a better tomorrow, rooted in research and driven by the need for change. Those impacted by health policy must have a voice guiding the research that ultimately informs the change. And that is what we do. We don't just wish for improved care, better health outcomes, and healthcare systems. We collectively move towards it, anchored in research together.
Together, we make sure that research reflects real life and leads to real change.